Hello students, today we will be doing question number 2 from the MSC CMI Data Science 2018 question paper. We are basically doing the subjective questions, which is basically the part B. So this is the second question from the part B of the data science paper. So let us begin. Now it has been given that suppose A, B and C are M cross N matrices. Then what does the following algorithm compute? Here Aij denotes the A, Aij term of the entry of the matrix A. Now the program that has been given is that for I equal to 1 to M and for J equal to 1 to M and for K which goes from 1 to M, C of Ij is equal to A of Ik into B of Kj plus C of Ij. Then end. So this is the program over here. So as you can see over here, the Ik term of the matrix A is multiplied to the B Kj term of the matrix, and ultimately if we multiply this matrix AB, then this ultimately gives us an AB matrix, which is the Ij term of the AB matrix of the matrix C. So basically I can say that this will overwrite the matrix C with AB plus C. So this is the ultimate result of this algorithm over here. Let's move on to the next question.